Spectacular two-story courtyard design home loaded with upgraded features. 5 bedrooms plus playroom. Marble floors, crown moldings, custom built-in home theater. Luxurious master bedroom with sitting room and custom built-in closet. Gourmet kitchen. Center island including vegetable sink. Wood cabinets, pantry, pull-out drawers, granite tops, tumble marble backsplash, stainless appliances, built-in refrigerator, double wall ovens and desk. Second floor impact glass windows. Wrought iron staircase railings. Fenced yard. 2 newer AC units. Lushly landscaped and fenced backyard. Private pool and raised spa in center of courtyard. Outdoor summer kitchen with gas grill. Heron Bay is a guard-gated community including 2 state-of-the-art clubhouses, tennis courts, fitness center, basketball, banquet rooms and public golf course. Students attend Parkland's top-rated schools.